So for this experiment, we're going to need Skittles, M&Ms, plates, and containers of hot water. So today we're going to be learning about diffusion, or the spreading of something more widely, as we watch how pouring hot water on our candy causes the color to diffuse on our plates to fill areas without color. I'm also going to be doing this experiment with both Skittles and M&Ms so that we can hypothesize whether we think the Skittles or the M&Ms will spread faster. Let us know in the comments what you think, and if you do this experiment, let us know how it went. First, we're going to start off by arranging our candies on the plate. You can arrange it in a circle like I have, or you can choose another shape or pattern. Then we're going to carefully pour our hot water in the center of our plate and watch how the color spreads. Have fun! Here we can see I have my Skittles and my M&Ms arranged, and now I'm going to pour my hot water in the center and watch the colors diffuse.